What's good? Welcome back to my channel. All right, today I'm telling you the 7 things you must do before starting a YouTube channel. That's right, 7 things that you need to do before starting that YouTube channel. You know, everybody that I know want to start a YouTube channel. You got some young kids that want to start. You got some older people that want to start. You got people that just want to start. And I'm going to tell you what you need to do before you start. Royal family, what's good? What's poppin'? Let's get back at it right now. The number 1 thing that you need to do before you start a YouTube channel is you have to make a plan. You got to find out what your channel is going to be about and what type of videos will you create. See, a lot of people come into the YouTube world and they just don't know what they want to do, but they want to do it. Before you get started, you got to know what your channel is going to be about. You got to know what you're going to talk about. You got to know what type of videos that you're going to put out there into the world, because that world is big. It's a big world out there. And sometimes not knowing what the channel will be about and what type of videos you want to create, that'll hinder you from starting the channel. So start off with figuring out the type of person that you are, the type of person that you want to be on camera. Let's get it. Number 2, you have to come up with a channel name. Now, my name, Expensive Facts. Yeah, Expensive Facts. My previous Instagram page before I got blocked from Instagram was Expensive Taste. Expensive with the Z, because the shit ain't free. When I started this YouTube channel, I was like, yo, you know what? I'm gonna give them expensive facts. Facts that cost money, facts that's very expensive. I'm gonna give it to y'all for free. So that's why I call it free game. I always give free game on this channel. So you have to come up with a name and a reason why you're doing what you're doing. The name, it says everything. You got people who use their real names, and that's not a bad thing. Maybe that's something that you can do to start out at first. You can start with a real name until you build an audience. You might got a funny saying. You might got a catchphrase and you can name your channel that. But you have to have a channel name. So this is something for you to think about. Number 3, you have to come up with video ideas. And I'm going to do another video about the video ideas so you can get a chance to see how I come up with my video ideas. And I'm going to give you a little bit of video ideas that you can use for yourself. But you have to come up with video ideas. A lot of people start and they don't know where to start at. I had somebody hit me in my DM and say, yo, Boss Money Bass, I want to start a YouTube channel, but I don't know what to film videos about. I don't have video ideas. How do you come up with your video ideas? I'm like, hey, I got a little formula, but I can help you. I also had another person ask me, hey, Boss Money Bass, can you give me a couple of video ideas? Let me tell you about me. One thing about me is I'm not selfish. I like to help, because guess what? It's enough money on this platform for everybody. So I don't got a problem with giving you an idea too, to get the ball running. But I'm gonna let you know this. You have to have those video ideas. You get them video ideas, you come up with at least 1, 2, 3, 4, come up with at least 20 ideas. 20 ideas to give you some space. What I like to do with my channel is I like to drop at least 2 videos per week. 2 videos per week. So with 20 videos, you got 10 weeks to spare if you do 2 a week. Me, I drop 2 videos a week, and if it's anything trending, I jump in. I can have 5 videos in a week if it's some good things going on, but 2 is mandatory. You have to come up with those videos ideas. Number 4, I said number 4, right? You have to make an intro and make an outro. Listen, when I first started, this was like hell for me. Hell, when I say hell, it was like hell for me, because I'm so creative up here till I just tried just about everything. You understand what I'm saying? And when I try things and they don't work, I like to try them over and do them over and over and over and over. I'm like what you call a perfectionist. I like things to be mapped down the right way, and sometimes you can't do that with this YouTube thing. You just have to let things flow. There are a lot of videos on YouTube right now that'll show you how to make good intros. There are a lot of good videos on YouTube right now that'll show you how to make good outros. You have to find them. Also, if you go on Instagram, that's right, Instagram, and hashtag YouTube intros on Instagram, those will pop up. You understand what I'm saying? And there, what you can do is you can find somebody to make you a video intro. That's a good thing too. Make you a video outro. That's a good thing too. Hit me up. I might just be able to make you a video intro and outro. Let me know what you want to do. Another place that you can look to find someone to make your video intros and your video outros is Fiverr. Fiverr. I'll put the name up there. You can go there. You have a lot of people that deal with digital technology and they can help you. Once again, I can help you. If I have the time, I got the space on the schedule, I can help you also. Hit me up. Feel free to hit me up. Let's get it going like this. Number 5, and this can be the most important thing here, your equipment. Now, what I want to say to you is, let me run back just a little bit. Your equipment is something that is going to make you or break you. Or should I say, all right, let's do it like this. Some people film with their Android. Some people film with their iPhones. Some people film with cameras. I'm going to tell you what I use, and then I'm going to throw the links in the description. It's up to you to go down in that description and grab whatever you need. So let's do it like this. I use my iPhone 11 Pro. I use my Samsung Note 9. And at times I also use a Sony ZV-1. This is a very good camera. I'm telling you right now, you will love this camera. It is a camera that will give you great footage. It can film in 4K, and that's what you need on YouTube. People don't like to look at your video and it's a crummy video, because when they see a crummy video, they like to leave crummy videos. So don't make a crummy video. Get it? You need a tripod, a good tripod. You know, you might need one with a light. You also need studio lights. You need a background. You might need a green screen if you like to do reaction videos. I'm gonna put all of this in the description. And another thing, if you like to do vlogs, you might need something called a gimbal. It's a tripod that you can use that's electronic, move certain ways. Listen, I got some good tricks for you. Check in the description and get that equipment. Number 6, you have to learn how to edit. Editing is one of the hardest things to learn, but there are a lot of people on YouTube that will show you how to edit. On my Note 9, I use KineMaster. See it right here? This is one of my favorite editing tools. I love it. I'm spoiled with it. I know how to use it good. It's super quick for me. And it works for me. It might not work for you, but it works for me. If I'm editing on my iPhone, I'll use iMovie. Another good editing software to use is Final Cut Pro. You have to learn how to edit. Editing is everything. Editing will take your video from down here to up here. Learn how to edit. It is mandatory for you to learn how to edit. And the last and final tip that I have for you is tip number 7. Prepare yourself for a slow start. Now, what do I mean when I say that? What I'm telling you guys is, don't get discouraged. When you first start, you're not going to start with any subscribers. You're going to start on a donut, unless you tell a couple of your friends and they subscribe. But it's not going to be what you expect when you first come out. Your first video might not do anything at all. Do not get discouraged. You're going to go through that in the beginning. That's what's going to happen. Continue to make good quality videos. If you continue to make good quality videos, good things will happen. Promote yourself. Post your content on other social media platforms. Let people know about you. Let people spread the word about you. But do not get discouraged. You are going to have a slow start. I had a slow start, and then I had a little breakout, and then things slowed down, and then things sped up. But you will have a slow start. 9 times out of 10, your first video will not get 16,000 views or 50,000 views or 100,000 views. Some of you will. There have been some people that have done it. But prepare yourself mentally to not be discouraged. This is something that you have to know about. This is a bonus tip. For everybody that made it to the end of this, thank you. I appreciate it. Listen, this bonus tip is something that I wish I would have knew in the beginning, but I didn't, and I went through it, and I'm letting you know about it right now. You have to understand that you cannot use any type of music you want on this platform. They have copywriting laws. They will take your video down. They will do all this good stuff. Listen, what you have to understand is you can't play the whole song. Let me just say it like that. You can't play the whole song. There's certain content that you will not be able to play the whole content, because it's either they'll take your money from you or you won't be able to get money on one of your videos. You just got to pay attention to copyright laws. One thing I try and do is, if I'm using a song, I try and stay under 8 seconds. Anything over 8 seconds, you playing with fire, baby. So I'm letting you know right now, pay attention to those things. There are more YouTubers that can tell you about this. I just wanted to give you that bonus tip. Need I say more? I'm Boss Money Bass, and this is expensive. Ooh, as expensive could get, and that ain't no bullshit. Look. Yo. Perfect.